So what are you doing in Scrud life today, Lawrence?
Fixing the steering ram.
How's it going for you?
Well, I rebuilt the steering ram. One I prepared earlier.
Was it hard?
It's hard to get out, but it's going in a lot easier.
So tell us a bit about this tractor. Tell us a bit about this tractor.
German Fendt.
Yeah.
This is a German tractor.
A German tractor.
Air-cooled diesel. So it doesn't need any water, no cooling system.
Right.
It's air-cooled, yeah. Yeah.
So this is the inside of it.
The hard part's done.
Now it's just a matter of putting it back together.
Yeah. Fix this part, see if you can drive around the yard. Look up having a new slasher.
I'll come around so I can see what you're doing.
No on this one.
Were you doing it up the wrong way?
I'm taking it back out.
Oh,
There's been a bit of thread damage here, so I've got to sort of tidy it up.
Max is doing a burnout over there.
So imagine the sort of burnout he's doing. Let's see if it's better to work now. Just trying to get the thread to work. Yep, it's happening.
Got to put the pin through the hole
Yep.
to lock it all in place.
And
What was that?
That's reverse thread at that end. Come off.
Yeah, come off. Do you want me to put it back on?
You're going to have to hold it straight.
This side's turning. But didn't you say it was reverse thread?
Mm-hmm.
So should this side turn?
Mm-hmm. They both turn together.
Even though it's reverse thread? No.
Did that come out?
It's sitting on an angle. It's how the other side was before when you were turning. It's out now. If you line it up, I can hold it straight.
I'll do something else instead.
So far, so good this time. Touch wood. Guys, it wouldn't be a day without a bit of stress in Scrud's life. Things aren't really going to plan. A little bit frustrated at the moment. But it's not going to get the better of us. It's starting to work now. We've got it.
It's got to line up exactly, otherwise it doesn't want to come good. And in as well.
So this side looks good. This side looks good. It's all going to plan now. And when you, what you're doing is you're straightening up the wheel as well.
Yeah, the wheel on it.
Yeah.
Fixes the wheel on it.
So it's all in line now.
Not yet, nearly.
So that's got to go right down. Does it, Lawrence?
Yep. Is there a flat screwdriver?
Yep, I'll grab the flat screwdriver.
Yeah, I've got one.
Oh.
Just holds the clip in, that's it. Outside.
Done.
Yep. This helps to straighten them a little bit.
What you do to one side, you got to do to another.
Yep.
This side went on a lot easier.
Sure did.
Now we're up to the hydraulic hoses. Just going to clean it. So that's on now. We've just got one more.
Oh, hang on.
What's the problem, Lawrence? What's the little problem?
I dropped a little washer off this,
Oh,
so I might have to go and get one if I can't find it. There's always one thing after another. One thing. Or something.
you wouldn't be able to have one in the shed, would you?
No.
Hmm?
No. Alright, I'm gonna have to look around for it.
So he's
Cha-ching.
found it. Lucky for Lawrence. He doesn't have to go for a big drive.
No, I could do a big run out to some place. It's lucky to drip a bit of oil. That's all good. What you're doing is dodging the dirt, basically. Done. Put the wheel back on.
Cool. Put the wheel on. So you're jacking it up so the wheel can actually fit on.
Yep. Put that under there in case it slips off. It's not going to fall all the way to the ground. Big ass wheel. Yeah, Max.
Come on, Max. Just lining it up. It's on. Grab the wheel nuts.
Gotta put the washers in first. As fast as possible in case the jack comes off.
So you're getting two started in case the jack comes off.
It wants to move, it sort of doesn't end up totally on the ground.
Max looks like he's having a hard life, living the Scrud's life.
Living the life.
Guys, we have liftoff. We just got to see if it works fine now.
Yeah, we'll get it out of here first and start her up.
We'll scrud it out and give it a burl. Hopefully it works really well and there's no hiccups. Guys, we need to get a battery. We won't be going anywhere without the battery.
Nothing without a battery.
We need the battery desperately to start this perler.
Cool.
So he's got himself a battery. Who knows where he got it from, but he's got a battery.
See if it's any good.
He's gonna put it in. popping on the negative?
That's the positive.
Oh, that's a positive. I thought positive's red. That looks like positive.
You're not sure, just run the cord until if it's bolted to the body, that's negative.
I would have got a zap.
It would have melted the battery.
Sparks. Yeah, I always thought that black's negative and positive's red.
Yeah, just always best to double check on old stuff.
Backwards old stuff.
Yeah, old stuff.
Here we go, he's starting it up. I'm standing back a bit because who knows. I'm standing back.
The dash lights.
We've got dash lights, guys. Show us the dash lights.
Eh?
Show us the dash lights.
There's a light.
Oh, yeah.
Look, some gauge. I don't know what I'm meant to mean yet.
Okay. Doesn't look good, Lawrence.
Oh, hang on. Sometimes you've got to put your foot on the clutch.
Get smoked out. No steering. It probably needs to get oil up to it. So he's just checking the oil now because there mightn't be enough in it.
Bone dry.
Dry as a bone.
Hang on.
Guys, this is something just between you and I. This is a part of getting old. Forgetting where you put your glasses. Wait for it. So I'm going to play a little trick on him. I bet you he won't remember that he's popped his glasses in here. The joys of getting older. I'll be like, I don't know where you put them. So he's got some oil. We're just going to see how full it is.
Still sounds empty.
It was bone dry. Anything on it?
Yeah.
Yep.
There's all that.
Where does it look like? Oh, it's full.
Got a bit on there now.
Guys, he's just spotted it. He went to grab them.
if it makes it out of there.
He's got to try and get it out of here.
We've got to work out where's reverse.
Well, I won't be standing in front, that's for sure. Look out, Max. He's going for a burn around. I do like this tractor. Just something about it, I like it. Sweet. Job done.